Welcome from Python with Python for Pythons from Python's knobs and all with Pythons. What I have now is I want I want to have a reading script for websites. That's also not so very difficult, I think. Yeah, maybe this, and then we see how to install this, and then maybe there installation. Pretty easy. Install it like so. You could see this. It's pretty easy to install like so. Could put this inside somewhere. So pretty easy to install this. So this is already installed, and if we have it, then we could go in the terminal. Terminal. Oh no, that's not what I'm searching for. In the terminal, for example, this one. So maybe font larger, and we could write eSpeakThis, and then write some text. So, for example, hi, you all, and press enter. And it's speaking. That's pretty easy. So, and what we need to do then next is we need to call this from a shell. In the Python, I want to save this command. There's a message in this little variable. There's a message, and then we could send this to the shell with a subprocess.Popen command. These libraries need to be imported. Here it's imported subpress, and then we could use this popen for the shell. We need to, in the second parameter, we need to set the attribute shell to true, and send here this command line. Here's the command line to this pkopen command. And so what we need next is we need the text from the web page. How we could get the text from the web page? For example, from this web page, we need copy this. What we could do, maybe let's go to sample scripts, and then we could do maybe copy this with Ctrl+C stuff. Here's we could modify another simple script. Maybe let's modify this one. Rename it to Ctrl+C for speak website. Maybe it's something like this. Okay, let's go and look what's inside there. Not much. Not much. So we could go, what we not want is go speak, for example, this one. This is but only as a reminder what we want to do. Of course, we need to make a control. Maybe we select a complete website like control all, like this. So we need to send them keyboard, send case, send case, send case, send case, and then it should be control alt. Maybe I could copy this then for, and then make their control. So then should be all selected, and then we need to copy this selected text. So we do this like so, and then we have copied all this text, and next we need the text in the variable. That could be maybe keyboard get what we have there. or maybe it's called clipboard. I think it's clipboard, get clipboard. Now we have done the clipboard in a variable. Let's call him C, in variable C clipboard, and then we could use this. Yeah. Now I have a little bit. Yeah, we could go backward to this other script, and for a little bit be lazy as possible, we could yeah, we could use this the same function, then it's more lazy, and lazy is always good. We could use this one, and we could put this inside of our speak in our so we need the function there. Then we could tell them maybe maybe call this also message for, or I don't know, or maybe I don't know what's that's a not pretty names, but it should be work fast as possible. And this is also maybe not so much important in this place. And what we need also is importing. We need to import these little functions that could we do like as here. This is somewhere else. This is import here. This one. Then we could go for the message speak website. Where's it? Speak website here. We need their little imports. This we don't need. os.path also we don't need. Not yet. Maybe later. So okay, we have to suppress, and then it could eventually working. Now we need a hotkey. For starting this. It should be triggered, for example, on this web page. So we need to go here, set a filter, and detect the window here. And then it should be, for example, only working if it's Firefox. And then it should be working if I do select all. Maybe if I do select all at this very first stuff, that should be then select all like this. And we could try this now. It could be working eventually. Eventually. This could work eventually. I'm not sure. Let's try this.
Subprocess.
It was reading something. Let's try again.
Den Alt Stringen the Satan left Stringen Ubuntu Deutschland DV logo. Anmelden registrieren. Ubuntu users not the portal forum wiki.
Okay, it's reading all the time.
Go. Wiki eSpeak. Wiki. Index let's tender list new article über sich FAQ benutzt.
Yeah, it's working, but I won't stop it. So how could I stop it? I don't know how I could stop the script. And now I want to set the audio a little bit. I set the audio to very, very low because it's working already. I hope you enjoyed it. It's reading all the time. So please don't be fair. I need to stop the video now because I don't. I need to kill Python. And I hope you enjoyed. And see you all later. Bye bye.